So there is a silent stronghold holding many believers hostage, yet it is rarely gets exposed for what it truly is. It wears the mask of humility, but it is driven by fear. It disguises itself as love, but it bows to approval. It mimics compassion, but it chokes the voice of truth. This stronghold is people releasing a subtle idolatry of man's opinion and the bondage of needing to be accepted. It is spiritual paralysis that keeps you quiet when God says speak, keeps you involved when God says withdraws, keeps you apologizing for the very fire he placed in your bones. I'm guilty of the last one. This spirit is not harmless. It is hell-bent on silencing the remnant and neutralizing the very ones God has called to confront, to correct, and to carry his voice into a compromising generation. The fear of man is not just emotional weakness. It is a spiritual snare. The Word of God says very plainly in Proverbs 29, the fear of man brings a snare, but whoever trusts in the Lord shall be safe. Many are not stuck because they lack opportunity or calling. They are stuck because they have bowed to the expectations of others. They've traded boldness for likability, conviction for compatibility, holiness for human applause. They say yes when God says no. They stay silent when heaven is roaring through them, and they exhaust themselves trying to maintain peace at the cost of obedience. This is not love. It is spiritual compromise, and it is one of the most effective tools the enemy uses to keep warriors bound in chains made of politeness and fear.